My name is Justin Lokitz, and I'm a business designer and a managing director at BMI, and we're a design strategy firm. And I'm really excited to be part of Product Development Days, where I'm not only giving a keynote, I'm also giving a workshop that's about daring to shift and designing future-proof businesses and business models therein. This workshop is really for anyone, but very specifically, it's for anyone who wants to design new business models for a product line, maybe a product inside of that product line, or maybe an entire business. As part of this workshop, we're going to dive into 6 distinctive business model shifts and a bunch of different patterns inside of those shifts that you'll be able to use to apply to your own existing business models and products and services, or perhaps new products and services and business models. We're also going to use this time as a part of the workshop to analyze context around us to understand what might be coming, and that's part of that future proofing piece. Now this workshop is going to be on October 29th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Those are in Pacific time, so you'll have to adjust as appropriate to you. But again, I really look forward to seeing you in this workshop and as part of Product Development Days and getting our hands dirty and working together. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.